Answer the following with reference to the story. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? Who says these words? Answer. Tommy says these words. What does it refer to? It refers to the telebook which Margie found. What is it being compared with by the speaker? It is being compared with their computer screen by the speaker. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? They refer to the children of the past generation. What does regular mean here? Here regular means punctual and normal. What is it contrasted with? A mechanical teacher and a human teacher are being contrasted with. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, about 30 words. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? मार्जी और टॉमी के पास किस प्रकार के अध्यापक थे? मार्जी एंड टॉमी हैड मैकेनिकल टीचर्स. Their teachers were not a human being. They were operated by the human at home. What did Margie and mother send for the country inspector? मार्जी की मां ने काउंटी निरीक्षक को क्यों बुलवाया? मार्जी was not doing well in her studies. Probably something was wrong with her mechanical teacher. So Margie's mother sent for the country inspector to inspect the mechanical teacher. What did he do? उसने क्या किया? He gave Margie an apple and smiled at her. Later he took the mechanical teacher apart. He slowed the geography sector to an average 10 years level. Why was Margie doing badly at geography? What did the country inspector do to help her? मार्जी भूगोल में क्यों पिछड़ रही थी? काउंटी निरीक्षक ने उसकी क्या सहायता की? मार्जी was doing badly at geography because the geography sector was adjusted to a particular standard or level. It was not her fault. The country inspector slowed the geography sector up to an average 10 years level. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? टॉमी के अध्यापक को एक बार क्या हुआ था? Tommy's teacher had once been taken away for nearly month because the history sector was blanked out completely. Did Margie have regular days? Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? क्या मार्जी के पास विद्यालय के लिए नियमित दिन व घंटे थे? यदि थे तो क्यों? Yes, Margie had regular days and hours, except Saturday and Sunday. It was because her mother believed that little kids learned better if they learned at regular hours. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? टॉमी प्राचीन प्रकार के विद्यालय का वर्णन कैसे करता है? Tommy describes the old kind of school that are the best places for study. There had been special buildings and all children went there to learn. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? वह प्राचीन प्रकार के अध्यापकों का वर्णन कैसे करता है? He describes those old kind of teachers that they were human beings and they came to school in a special building. They asked the students questions and gave them homework and teach other things. Answer